If your Citi Mobile won't run after iOS update, here's your workaround. First of all, head over to your app store, search for Citi Mobile app and update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it to the latest version. Then restart your phone. After restarting, use citi.com in a mobile browser temporarily. Search for online.citi.com in your Safari app and use it over there for temporary basis. Avoid beta OS versions for banking apps. Tip: Citi usually releases compatibility patches within days. Also, while doing all of these, make sure that you are on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Also, if you're not able to do that, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This rules out network issues, and that's it. Subscribe.